Oh, what the f? What is that, bro?
Yo, so you've never seen it? You've never had chiropractic treatment?
No, man. What the f was that, man?
Oh, shit.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
Nice.
It's only been 3 months, 4 months.
There you go, scared. It was.
Pretty loud.
Look down.
That hurt.
How'd that feel? Is
She dead?
Oh God. Ay ay ay. Holy moly.
Whoa. Oh my God. I've never felt my lower back release like that.
Yeah.
Ooh.
There it was. Sure, that edge. Yeah, got
That's
him.
what we were feeling.
And then back to
I'm
spin.
like already cracking and he's barely turning.
Really?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh.
Ooh. Whoa. Okay, I'm awake now. Ooh.
Harder, as strong as you can.
Wow.
Okay, same thing on this side.
I didn't even know that was a thing.
And
Oh, that was good.
there you go.
Fell down on your whole spine.
Dude. Yeah, I'm gonna be tall as hell. I feel like your hand went into my spine.
Oh.
Hey, bro.
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh.
Bring left shoulders down. 6 foot, 6 foot, 6 foot.
I'm 6'6" now.
Yeah. I got that low edge. This one's a little bit there.
Ooh, that's a good one. You feel it from the block.
There. That's a good one. Drop your right shoulder down.
Oh, shit. Thank you. Oh, God.
Oh. Oh, that felt so good.
Yeah. So we're just gonna go low. Good. Yeah, it's easy. Good.
Just.
Oh wow.
Did you taste it?
Yeah. I could literally taste my crack. Oh, what was that? What's that? No. Oh wow. Wait. No, my head is still there, right?
Yeah.
I thought I died. All right, sorry. Holy.
Crack.
No. No, mommy.
There it was.
Oh.
That was a good one.
I need to. The fastest way that I can get to safety is by ending this person's night.
I'm sweating. Oh! Just relax.
Oh, that's I needed it.
Nice.
There we go. There you go.
There we go.
Oh, same thing here. And pull back. Oh,
Thank you.
Oh, fuck!
Ooh, wow. Ooh, yeah, we got it. The art of distraction. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's your God. Oh my God. What was that? Was that normal? That was like 30 cracks.
Yeah. There we go. Very nice.
Oh, what the f? That's a trip. I didn't even know I could pop that part.
Oh.
Ooh.
Okay, 2 for 1.
I felt that in my
Oh, that was a good one.
So me and ooh, thanks.
Different, especially this one.
Ow!
Oh my God.
Okay, I need this, okay?
Oh my god.
Gosh.
Okay, you better calm down. You go put some gas on. Oh.
1, 2, 3. Oh, Jesus! Oh, Jesus! Oh my gosh! Oh my
There you go. Fill out the middle back.
Yeah.
Good. Not bad then. Yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah, not bad at all.
It's been worse, right?
Yeah. For sure, you're good.
Deep breath in. Exhale out. Deep breath in. Exhale out. There we go. All right. Sounded like some popcorn.
And look up.
I feel like I adjusted my spine while I just did that.
One more low. Drop your left shoulder. Now I get up there.
Oh.
There we go.
Nice.
Ooh.
Hey, I like that one.
Yeah. Look up just a little bit.
Oh, yeah. Ooh.
Oh, Lord Almighty. I felt that from my heels to my freaking neck. Oh! That was. Do you like that, Granny? It was so loud that even Grandma heard it. Oh, Granny.
Oh my God.
There it is. Damn.
Suck your stomach into your spine there. There it is. Okay, other side. There you go. There you go. So left shoulder goes down.
Oh, yeah.
Right there. Boom. Got it.
Oh, God. Oh, that is a terrifying feeling. It feels like you're just going to snap my head off and throw it out the damn window. Oh. Woo, baby.
Is the person in the worst hotel over here one more time?
Crown Plaza. River Oaks.
There.
Breathe.
Were bite marks off the shoulder.
Ooh, nice fried chicken crunch.
There you go.
Ooh. That was a good one.
Nice. Holy shit.
elbows.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh, fuck.
That smells something good.
Oh.
There you go. Tight.
Oh my god.
Drop your left shoulder. Good.
Wow.
Gotcha. Broken neck. Nice.
There you go, good. The negative S is Z cervical. Okay, so your sternoclavicular joints and your intercostosternal joints. There it is right there. Yes, sir. There, perfect. Yes, sir.
Yeah, good.
Oh my God.
Thanks, Vince.
Right.
Oh.
That's it.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wow.
Crack addict's definitely gonna love you. Into your costosternal joints. Just don't bite your tongue.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Oh fuck.
Oh man, I think that I needed that.
Oh.
Lord have mercy.
Solid.
Fuck, am I alright, bro? God damn. Oh,
Molly.
Oh, you got it. Oh, I needed that.
That's what it
Coming back over here. This one's here. Like that. Yeah, this one's gonna be good. This side first. And then this one. There it was. One more there.
Oh
There it
yeah.
was.
Oh yeah, mama. It's good, bro. It's feeling good.
You needed that one?
I love it.
Gentle breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Then let your shoulders relax and just kind of sink in. Wow. And let's come down just a little bit here. Take another breath in. And out. Let your shoulders relax. Just kind of sink in. Deep breath in through your nose, as far in as you can go, all the way in. And out. Lean your back. So you see the same thing here. Keep your head here for the same thing down. And take a deep breath in and out. And just kind of sink in. Lean your back. Okay, we're doing nice and gentle here. Let your shoulders relax. Just kind of sink in. Let your whole body just kind of go here. Let it go. Okay, we're gonna do this one right here. God, I heard that sound.
Beautiful, beautiful. Breathe in again. And out. Right arm dropped off the table. There we go. Drop that right arm down. Oh! Beautiful. Breathe in. Hold your breath. Hold it. Move that beautiful spine, brother.
And
hips relaxed.
I love your videos.
And out. Get the shoulder down. Breathe in again. And out. Drop your head, man. Loose, 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 loose. Let it go. Yeah, right. Wow. There we go. Wow. My man is subluxation. Breath in. And out. Drop that. Drop it. Drop, drop. Breathe in. Wow.
Alright, we'll do the left side first here. C5 at the bottom. Nice and gentle. We'll bring it over to the side here like this. You're doing good. That's perfect. Nice and relaxed. And I'm going to follow your breath down like this. And at the end of your breath, we're just going to kind of give a push like that, okay?
Okay.
Do you crack this part of your spine?
Yes, I do.
Okay, good. It feels that way.
Yeah.
This is actually a tough part of your spine to crack on your own. Alright, so we're going to do this one here in the middle. We're going to come up a little bit higher too. So take another deep breath in and out. And let your shoulders relax. Good. Another breath in and out. Let it go. Sink in. Loosey goosey. Good. One more time. Deep breath in and out. So I'm going to adjust the very bottom of your neck here. And so just like kind of get loosey-goosey here, and I'm going to bring your head over to the side, but just try to let it go and let me do all the moving, okay? Let it go. Good. Lay on your back. Good. That side joint, now lumbar, a little bit further down. Good. Lay on your back. Right from there, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very gentle, just soft breath in through your nose, not through your mouth, and just let your head go. Just kind of sink in. That's good. One more, very tough.
Alright, so I'm going to go adjust right in through her thoracic portion first. Becomes a lot easier for her. Whenever I'm pressing down in through here, this left side is a little bit tighter today, so I'm going to have you take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. I'm going to press down, good, relax. Good. That was big. And I'm going to tilt this way. Good. There it is. Take a deep breath in. And I'm going to have you exhale all the way out. Good, relax. Good. Alright, now I'm going to have you face that side. So I'm going to go right on this side through here. Good. I'm going to tilt you down just a little bit more. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out. Good. Relax right here. Good. Now on your back. How'd that feel? Up on this left occiput region. So I'm going to do an occiput lift right through here. I'm actually going to climb on this table like this. And I'm going to have you turn this way. And I'm actually going to contact right in through here. I'm going to have you bend your head down just a little bit. There you go. So I'm gonna have you take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way out right here. Relax those shoulders for me. Good. Good. I'm gonna have you turn back to this left side here. There's a little bit more. Gonna go down. Just distract the C3, C4 region. All right. So just relax your head here. Bend down, bend down, bend down. There you go. Take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Good. Relax the shoulders for me. Good. Good. All right.
Wow.
So we're going to do some adjustments right here. And go ahead, breathe in and out. Good. Good again. Good. One more time. Good. Good. Relax. Now we're going to come up here. I'm going to put my hand here and tilt your head over. This is good for that. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Good. A little tighter there. Good. Relax. All right. Good. Oop. Keep that one right there. Good. All right. You're going to cross here and here. Good. Slide this way some for me. Good. Right there. All right. I'm going to roll you this way. Perfect. Good. All right. Relax. Go the other way now. So before she's coming for lower back pain or hip pain, thankfully she's doing good with that right now. Just the shoulder that's killing you, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right. You all right?
Yeah.
All right. It's moving there already. All right.
Holy crap.
That was good. All right, going to back. We're going to get the hips now. I'm going to get this side first. Just keep this nice and relaxed. Good. Same thing here. Perfect.
Nice soft breath in through your nose, out through and out. Let it all go loosey-goosey here. Another one on the right, loosey, good, and out.
Relaxation. So what I want you to do is turn your head into my hand over here. You hold that for about 5 seconds. And relax. Allow some of those muscles that might be just chronically tight to start to ease in and relax, and lets me adjust her a lot smoother. How'd that feel, Anna?
Yeah, much better.
So this time I want you to rock your head back for me. And relax. Loosen your skin here. Good.
Through your nose. What's that?
I like the video you put out. I know there was someone trying to put an anti-ring dinger video out there.
Well, he was trying to explain, he said, what is a ring dinger, when he had to look it up and find out what it was.
Yeah.
I don't know how you can explain it when you don't even know what it is. There you go. Because I've been doing it for over,
Oh my gosh.
37 years now.
Felt that one all in my neck.
Oh, you felt that all the way down, remember?
Right.
Drop it in my hand. There you go.
We're gonna do this left side first. I'm gonna bring it over to the side like this, nice and gentle. Just let your head relax. I'm just gonna give this a little stretch in that direction. Okay. One more on the right. Nice and gentle.
That's hammer time! I don't even know how to do the signal. Got it. This one's here.
Keep breathing.
Just come right into here and just head all the way down. Just relax the shoulder here. I'm going to just cradle the head just a bit. Perfect.
And just let the head fall for me. Oh. There we go. How did that feel?
Good.
We're just gonna come down here as well and just relax that shoulder for me. You full control and just let the head fall. Beautiful. Awesome. How are you feeling so far?
Good.
Good. You feel all that pressure just
Yes.
kind of this is awesome, awesome. Very good. Go ahead, nice deep breath in, all the way out for me. All the way down towards me. Just let this head fall for me. Wow. Just let the head fall for me. Go ahead, nice deep breath in, all the way out. Nice deep breath in, all the way out. Wow. Awesome. All the way up. Just relax. Very good. Wow. How'd that feel?
I feel that my body just stretch.
Awesome. Okay, so we're gonna adjust in the mid back first, okay?
Vamos a empezar en las espaldas medias.
Deep breath in.
Suspira adentro.
All the way out. Wow. That's a big one. Okay, one more time. Deep breath in. All the way out. Perfect. Just to the side. Relax.
Oh.
Very good. Wow. Relax here. Wow. Whew. Big ones. Awesome. Deep breath in. Very good. One more time. Deep breath in. Just relax.
Oh.
Very good. How'd that feel?
Oh, bien.
Good, good. Deep breath in. All the way out. Wow. That was a good one. Good? Awesome. Deep breath in. All the way out. Wow, big one. How'd that feel? Good? Awesome. Just relax. And just let it all out. Good.
Oh, crap!
So hit all the way down to my hand. Get the hair out a little bit here and just let that shoulder drop for me. Perfect. Take full control. Just let the head fall to the ground.
Oh.
Beautiful. Just let the head fall for me.
Oh.
Beautiful. Awesome. So go ahead, nice deep breath in. All the way out for me. Very good. One more time, please. All the way out. Perfect. Wow. All the way down towards me. Just relax that shoulder there. Very good. Just let the head fall to the left.
Oh, that was awesome.
My goodness.
Told you.
Wow.
Last time I was here was June.
It's been a while, huh?
Yeah.
Just let the head fall. Very
Wow.
nice. Okay. So go ahead, nice deep breath in, and all the way out. Just let it all go. Very good. How'd that feel? Awesome. One more time for me. Deep breath in, all the way out. Perfect. One more time. Deep breath in, all the way out. Just relax it.
Oh my god, that was crazy. Oh, that feels so good. I'm ready to take a nap. I didn't even know I had that in me.
Just relax that shoulder there. Just let the head fall.
Oh.
Very good.
Oh.
Very nice.
That was good. Oh, feels so good.
Go ahead, nice deep breath in, all the way out, and just let it all go. All the way out, and just let it all out. Perfect. Okay, and just come right in here. And just let the head fall. Give me a slight open mouth. Very nice. Wow. How'd that feel?
So good.
You got a lot of jaw on that one too, huh?
Yeah.
Awesome. How's it feeling so far?
Oh, way better.
Much better. Awesome. Nice deep breath in, all the way out. Very nice. Nice deep breath in, all the way out. Very nice. Awesome. And all the way out. Just let it all go. Very good. How'd that go? How'd that feel?
I feel a big difference.
Awesome.
Already.
You feel a nice release there?
Yeah.
All the way down towards me. And just relax that shoulder. Very good. Just let the head fall. Wow.
Yes.
My goodness. Just let the head fall. Wow.
Both sides.
My
I
goodness.
just knew it would be lighter.
So go ahead and take a nice deep breath in and all the way out, and then just let it all go. Very good.
Good already.
That was a big one. One more time, deep breath in, all the way out. Perfect. Always down towards me. Just relax that shoulder there. I'm going to take full control of the head here. And just let the head fall to the left. Very nice. Just let the head fall to the right for me.
Oh.
Very
For the love of God.
Wow.
Oh, it's been stuck there for a long time.
You got some great movement out of that. Just let it all go.
Oh, holy shit. Oh my gosh.
That was so loud.
Candid camera. I'm like, I can't cuss.
So have you turn towards me. Very good. I'm going to place my hand right in there, okay? And just let your head fall into my hand. Very good. And just go ahead and drop that shoulder there. Very good. And just relax it. Let the head fall. Very nice. How'd that feel, man?
Nice.
That was intense, huh?
Yeah.
Breath in, all the way out. Nice pull here, okay? Just relax it. Very good. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Very good. Awesome. Ooh, deep breath in.
Mm-hmm. Me tronaron hasta las orejas.
Drop it.
shit.
Oh.
Very
Oh.
nice. Wow.
Oh my god, I felt it. Like, oh my god, my soul.
Through your soul, huh?
Yeah.
Give me one more time, deep breath in. And all the way out. Just relax.
Oh my gosh.
Very good. How'd that feel?
Dude, I felt that all the way down, man.
Nice. You still alive?
Yeah, no, I'm good.
Oh, you're cracking already there. Deep breath in. All the way out. Wow.
He's little.
Oh, you're cracking. Deep breath in. All the way out. Wow. Wow. That was a big one. All right. Oh, you're cracking already. Deep breath in. All the way out. Perfect. All the way up. Very nice.
That's great.
Very nice. Just let the head fall to the left.
Ooh. Wow. Jeez, I wasn't expecting that one.
How'd that feel, man?
Good.
Awesome. And just let the head fall from me. Very nice. Wow. You said this was the knee that you injured, right?
Yeah.
Any pain as we do this here?
No.
Do that there. Alright, so just relax it fully. Very good. A little full here as well. Just relax it. Perfect. And all the way out. Just relax.
Oh, oh wow, I needed that in my life.
Need full control. And just let the head fall.
Oh gosh.
Very nice. How'd that feel?
Great.
Beautiful. Just let the head fall.
Oh.
Very nice. Let's go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. All the way out. And then we're going to give you a little push.
Oh.
Here. All the way out. Very good. Wow. Same thing here. Just relax it. Perfect. Awesome. I'm going to strap you in, okay?
Okay.
So nice stretch towards me. Oh, it's releasing already. You feel that?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead, deep breath in. All the way out. Just relax it.
Oh my gosh, are you kidding? Wow.
How'd that feel?
I've never felt anything like that. Amazing.
Awesome. So I'm going to start with the mid back here first, okay?
Okay.
So we have a nice deep breath in and all the way out.
Oh,
very nice.
my goodness.
How'd that feel?
Good.
That's a great one. One more time, deep breath in, all the way out. Perfect. All the way out. Oh.
Oh, man.
So go ahead and just bend the head down with my hand. Very good. Just let that shoulder drop there. Very good. Give me full control. Let the head fall.
Oh!
Very nice.
Wow, that was loud.
All the way down towards me. And same thing. Just let that shoulder drop for me. Perfect. Just let it fall. Drop it, drop it.
Oh!
Very good. Wow.
Yeah.
My goodness. Go ahead, give me a nice deep breath in. All the way out. Give me one more time, deep breath in. All the way out. Just let it relax. Drop it.
Oh!
Very nice.
Oh. Oh, man.
How'd that feel?
I feel like you unlocked a lock that was back there.
Nice. Just relax it.
Oh shit.
Very good.
I definitely felt that one.
How'd that feel?
Felt amazing.
Awesome. Just let the head fall towards me.
Ooh.
Same thing, just let it fall.
Ooh.
Perfect. Same thing here. shoulder. And just let the head fall for me. Very nice.
Wow.
Awesome. How'd that feel?
So good.
Good.